click the sliding menu. Under Manage Teamie section, click Classrooms and then choose Manage Classrooms. You can quickly search the required classrooms using the given filter on the Manage Classrooms page. Tick the checkbox corresponding to the classrooms that you wish to archive. Then, select Archive from Operations Action menu, then click Execute. Verify the classroom names and click Confirm to archive the selected classroom. Once the process is complete, the selected classrooms will be archived and you will be redirected to the Manage Classrooms page. You can search the archived classrooms by selecting the No option in the Published drop-down menu.